This is Science Week 25, and this is day 1. Just a quick explanation of what you're going to see in these slides as you go through them. First thing you're going to do is listen to the story. You'll click on the audio portion right here. And the question that we're asking today and the question we're exploring is, why can't I see myself in the mirror when it's dark in the room? You can think about that yourself. Listen to this story. Let's keep going. On the second slide, you're going to do a little bit of an experiment and find a toy or an object in your house, and you're just going to take it to different rooms and see the difference in what you can see. For part 1, you would take it to a bright part of your house, lots of light, and then you're going to record in the box what you can see. In part 2, you're going to take it to a part that's a little dimmer. Maybe it has some windows, but it's evening, you can't see as well. And you're going to, again, record what you can see. And then the last thing you're going to do is take your toy or object to a dark part of the house. Maybe if your bathroom doesn't have any windows, you can go in the bathroom, close the door with the lights out. What can you see? Maybe your closet, or find somewhere in your house that it's dark. And you're going to record all of these. Again, remember, when you are doing your recording on a slide, you need to have it out of present mode. So to see it better, yes, you would put it in present mode, but when you want to edit or add things, you'll take it out of present mode. The next few slides are kind of an introduction to light, and they're just some things that you'll need to read about light. You can click on the audio if you want to have it read to you, to have the text read, or you can read it by yourself. There's a word there that you may not have seen before, and that word is opaque, O-P-A-Q-U-E, and that's going to be right there. Opaque means that you cannot see through it. So that would be like a solid wall or something that you can't see through to the other side. More reading about text, more things to learn about, and that explains a little bit more about transparent, translucent, and opaque. And those are 3 words you're going to want to remember with light as we learn more about light. The next page, you have a video, and you know how to do that. Again, you can watch that video in present mode. It will be much better. It will work better that way. But then you'll need to come out of present mode to do this last page, where you're just going to move the words into the right blank. And you'll use the word bank at the bottom. That's your slides. Those are the slides for day 1, and that's it for that day.